Hi, I'm Cassie from Qingdao TNT Homeware Company Limited. This one is foldable laundry hamper. We sell well to many European countries and US because freight cost has been increasing in 2 years during the pandemic, and we designed the foldable laundry hamper to save the space during transportation. Let's check the detail. We designed the cotton rope handle for easy carrying. For the pattern, we designed yellow, gray, and steel cream as basic color. We fasten the lace to the basket with a Velcro. There's big space inside. You can post many dirty clothes, books, magazines, anything inside. It will make your room tidy and organized. This laundry hamper is made of fabric and the cardboard inside. It's very firmly. Let's check the size. 45, length 32, height 55 centimeters. This laundry hamper can be foldable. I will show you how to foldable. There's a cardboard inside. You can take it out, then foldable like this. For the packaging, we use the shrink packaging as the with color label in front of the box. It can load 4,900 pieces in 40 containers. You can find the surface. There's no wrinkles on the surface because we add ironing process during the production. And we also use the special technique. It's color fast.